Welcome to our slime tutorial. Today we are making slime, which is a non-Newtonian fluid. This is our borax. We use it to activate our glue, which is known as a polymer. This is our slime. Its name is Worm. So we were a group of 4 and we split it into 2. So our other group did 1A and 1B. And this is cornstarch and glue and 40 milliliters of borate, which we use to activate. And that, yeah.
For the 1B slime, we used 2 grams of undiluted glue with 10 milliliters of 4% borate. It has a low elasticity, poor shape retention, and poor cohesion, and it does not combine well. For the 5A and 5B, we used 2 grams of cornstarch, 2 grams of 50% glue solution, and PVA solution, and then we added 10 milliliters of 4% borate. This was used to make the bouncy ball.
Okay, so we use PVA and you basically mix it with the PVA with water. That's 2 grams and we make a 50-50 solution and we stir it for 10 whole minutes. We stir this for 10 whole minutes until it dissolves, which this is a lot of dissolving right here, but basically you boil it and yeah. And this is our slime, 1A. And yeah, a lot of stirring happens and you bring it to a boil and simmer for 20 minutes. It bubbles a lot, I'm not gonna lie. Lots of bubbles there, lots and lots of bubbles. So you keep going and it sticks to the glass, so you want to make sure to wipe it down. But let me talk about, and then you add it to the glue, which unfortunately didn't work. It was really upsetting for us. But basically what happens is when the slime is like slowly pulled, it is flowy and it's under low stress, so it acts more like a liquid, as you can see there. However, when it's pulled quickly, it undergoes high stress and breaks. This is the Maxwell fluid, which we classify as slime. And you can change the fluid characteristics of slime from a liquid to a solid by applying pressure. We did this by squeezing the slime when we initially stirred it. The glue and the cornstarch and borate formed into a solid-like texture. That's our slime. Before we add more, this is us stirring. But yeah, so slime is a polymer. This is because the slime's glue is linked by borate, which is the activator. This is what allows the slime to get its texture because of the network of molecules created by the glue and borate, which are very long. And so this is our slime. We called it Hoeing Worm, and we added 6 grams of regular glue and half a milliliter to 1 milliliter of 4% borate, which we added very little by little. That's my friend over there. That's their slime. I don't remember the name of it, but basically the elasticity is high, so the shape retention is good for our slime. The cohesion is good, and it has a slime-like consistency. Afterwards, we clean everything up. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.